Playback is essential for reviewing footage and navigating your timeline in Premiere Pro. Let's explore the different ways to do it. Starting out, we have the play stop toggle within the program monitor or the source monitor. Within the source monitor, if we have a clip loaded into it, we can simply click the play stop toggle to play back and stop it. And the same goes for the program monitor. Clicking play, this plays back everything within your sequence or timeline because the program monitor and the timeline are linked, so everything that plays within the timeline plays back within the program monitor or vice versa. So you hit play, playhead moves within the program monitor and the timeline panel, and hit stop and it stops. But rather than clicking play and stop, the better way to do this is to hit the spacebar. Spacebar plays back and spacebar stops. But an even better way to play back media is to make use of the shuttle right, shuttle left, and shuttle stop commands. To shuttle means to travel, and that's exactly what our playhead is doing when we hit play. Shuttle right means we get playback, and this is done with default shortcut L. To stop playback, you can hit default shortcut K for shuttle stop. And if you want to rewind or play your footage backward, hit J for shuttle left. What's even cooler is the ability to play back at double speed. So if I tap L twice, it'll play back your footage twice as fast. Tapping J twice reverses twice as fast. Each additional tap further increases the playback speed. And you can also hold Shift and L at the same time to fast forward, or hold Shift and J to fast rewind. So now you know we can speed up playback, but can we slow it down? Why, yes, we can. Holding Shift and tapping L will slow shuttle right. If we hold Shift and tap J, we'll get slow shuttle left. We can also, while holding Shift, double tap or triple tap to speed up the slow motion. And this can be done shuttling right or shuttling left. But the Shift key can be a bit inconvenient sometimes because of where it is on the keyboard. So to quickly make use of slow motion playback, you can also hold K along with L or J for the same effect. And what's even cooler about this option is that if you hold K and tap L or J, it now has frame by frame functionality. All right, so I've decided to add some music and a quick voiceover. Let's hear how it goes.
Game time. Let's go.
Whoa, okay, hold on a second. We now have this chipmunk sounding voice because I played it back at double speed. That's just another function. If this is happening to you, to get rid of the chipmunk voice, select Edit, Preferences, Audio. And the option here, Maintain Pitch While Shuttling. If it's enabled, click OK. We'll maintain the pitch no matter how fast you play back the footage. Game time. Let's go. Which is a more realistic representation of the media within your timeline. If maintain pitch while shuttling is off, then you'll get that high-pitched chipmunk voice when you are at double speed or faster. Now, another quick way to move through footage is scrubbing. That's simply clicking and dragging the playhead forward or backward within the timeline. And this is just like how DJs scratch records, which is also known as scrubbing. And we can do the same to preview footage. This is a really responsive function, and you'll find that scrubbing is a great way to quickly review footage. I find it incredibly useful to have audio playback on while scrubbing, as it helps me catch fine details for precise editing. And if it's not enabled, you can once again go to Edit, Preferences, Audio, and check Play Audio while scrubbing in source and program monitors. If this is selected, then you'll get audio playback while you're clicking and dragging the playhead. So there you have it. These are the basic ways to play back your footage within Adobe Premiere Pro. I would highly recommend sticking to JKL, shuttle left, shuttle stop, shuttle right, in combination with scrubbing through your footage, clicking and dragging the playhead around on your timeline. Now, do you have a favorite way to play back footage? Let me know in the comments. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you want to learn more, check out the other videos on my YouTube channel. And if you want more in-depth learning with projects you actually get to work on, check out my Skillshare page. Links are available in the video description. See ya.